In front of me is a Google Pixel 9a, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and next locate the power saving toggle. Come on, swipe to another page, there we go. Great device. So let's see if I can actually find it. Oh, there we go, it's right here. Now, because of the size of the text, it is being cut out a little bit. Typically, you would be seeing more of the name instead of just a battery S. But anyway, it looks like this with a battery icon with a plus inside of it. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this window right here. I believe this might only show up once. So we have the standard battery saver, and then we have the extreme battery saver. The extreme will limit the amount of applications you can use, so it will basically remove things like your wallpapers, I believe, and some other things in order to prioritize just battery life and almost nothing else. Well, the standard battery saver is just a more traditional one where it does things like turns on dark mode, disables Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using your device, and some other things like brightness, screen on time, and always on display. So all you need to do is just select turn on, but for this purpose I'm actually going to show you how the extreme battery saver looks like, so that's what I'm going to be selecting. And okay, so it doesn't remove wallpapers by the looks of it, but it removes access to basically all the applications. Now I think if I try to open it up, it will let me unpause the application if I want to use it. So it basically terminates all the applications that aren't considered necessary. Because they're now terminated, they don't consume any kind of energy, like processing power to run in the background. So yeah, that's one thing. Once you're done using this mode, you can find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to turn it off. And as you can see, when you tap on it again, it doesn't give you the option to change or select a mode like we did the first time. So if you want to change it, you would hold the battery option, the power saving mode, and in here when you hold it, it takes you to the settings, and you can then select which one you want. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.